orbital inclination is the minimum angle between a reference plane and the orbital plane or direction axis of an object orbiting another object. Inclination is one of 6 orbital parameters that describe the shape of and orientation of a celestial orbit. It is the angular distance from the orbital plane to the reference plane, usually the primary equator to the ecliptic. Usually expressed in degrees. In the solar system, orbital inclination is generally set with respect to Earth's orbit. In the solar system, the inclination of a planet's orbit is defined as the angle between the plane of the planet's orbit and the ecliptic. Thus, the Earth's inclination is, by definition, 0. Instead, the tilt could be measured relative to another plane, such as the Sun's equator or even Jupiter's orbital plane. But the ecliptic is more practical for ground-based observers. Most of the planetary orbits in the solar system have relatively small inclinations, both with respect to each other and with respect to the solar equator. On the other hand, the dwarf planets Pluto and Eris have inclinations to the ecliptic of 17 degrees and 44 degrees respectively, and the large asteroid Pallas has an inclination of 34 degrees. For planets and other rotating celestial bodies, the angle of the axis of rotation with respect to the normal the plane of the orbits is sometimes also called tilt or axial tilt. But to avoid ambiguity, it may be called axial tilt or obliquity. In geology, magnetic inclination is the angle that a compass needle makes with respect to the horizontal surface of the Earth at given latitude.